Hi guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe. But my brother, he popped my stress ball and there's like the charms are on mine. And it's this slime that it's from Kmart. If some people got it, you do not want it. So if you have one, I'll tell you the worst things and bad things about it. I had 3, but then they all popped. This was my 3rd one. And I'm gonna get the 4th one. So the worst thing about it is when you drop it on dirt, it's so hard. Plus when it's like so dirty and dirt, it's smooth, but it's hard. It's like a disaster to wash off. There's like all these like dirty water on your hands. Smooth. Now let's get to the video. So I'll tell you the story. So I got a hold of the public school. There's like this thing called a mini fate. I got that from Mini Fate. And my brother wanted it because I already had 2. And then he popped it yesterday. Oh, I have something cool in mind. Just found a pop it and a syringe. I also got this from Mini Fate, but I did not get the syringe. You thinking what I'm thinking? Let's go. Let's grab some slime. These charms go everywhere. This might need a little more activator, but okay. Put the slime in the syringe. Make sure there's no charms because it's going to make like a cracky sound. So I'm trying to take as much as the charms off. These charms are going to take... I'll tell you the rest of the story. Then I made the video. And then now I'm telling you, and now I'll have to take the charms off. I wish when there wasn't like that much charms, so it would be easier. When there was like this much charms normally on this thing. After rip some of the slime off. Ooh, mango, my favorite fruit. I do not like strawberries. You don't like strawberries? You're on my side. I don't like strawberries, but I had them today for breakfast. Oh yeah. This is going great. It's going great. So I'm just putting all the clear slime right here, right there. Putting the charms back in. The charms are a disaster to take out. I just watched a movie like the other day. It was so good. It was the Mario Bros. That's a great movie. You should watch it. Now I got the clay slime. I want to put it in. Break it into pieces. Put it in. Oh. I think this is enough for now. Too much. Take that. Put too much, it's gonna... I don't know how did I get myself into this, but... Ooh, yeah. Mamma mia. Brother's already like a little bit coming out. So now let's put it in. And now pop. Just keeping this in the freezer after I'm done. And maybe after I just put like charms. Yeah? Yeah. Charms, yummy. Damn. Oops. charm should I put in? Comment down below what's your favorite fruit. Any of these charms. I have so much charms in my hand. Just gonna lay them out. Which one of these do you like? Let me just get a little more. Which one of these? It could be any. So I'm putting it in here. You see it? That's where I left my clay slime. Just might need that later, so I'm gonna put the lid there. Chair. Make a quick decision. If I was you, I'll choose. Or maybe that watermelon, and I'll choose grape, apple, watermelon, and where's my hand? Oh, there it is. That one. Move that one a little closer. Okay, time's up. Now, so the comments are right here. So they said maybe grape. My favorite. Tomatoes, I do not like tomatoes. Saying I'm putting the foremost apple. Yes. Lucky last. What strawberries? I don't like strawberries. I thought I dropped one. Oh, I dropped one. I'm gonna put the small one because they're a big